Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Recipient on Remitly's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete Recipient on Remitly's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Remitly application. The home page of Remitly application will appear on the screen. Tap on Recipient option at the bottom left side of the page. On the next page, tap on recipient name that you want to delete. Click on Edit option. Scroll all the way down and tap on Delete. Confirm deletion of recipient by tapping on Delete once again. This is how you can delete recipient on Remitly's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.